Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, it's going to be a really quick unboxing for you guys. I'm really excited that this decided to show up. It's pretty far into the month and I feel like this box took a really long time to get here. In case you're wondering, I don't have an annual subscription with Allure Beauty Box, so in case you do see a couple of boxes here and there, I pretty much only purchased the boxes that I really want to try out, and this was definitely one of the boxes that I really wanted to try just based off of the products that Huda talked about and saying that was going to be in here. I don't really have a ton of her products and I feel like this was just a good box to get to testing out a few things. So with this box, in case you are not aware, the Allure Beauty boxes are $10 for the first month, and any box you want after that is $15. So I just opened it for you guys, and as soon as you open it, this is what it looks like. So on the box it says, "With passion and purpose, every dream is possible." This is Huda Katana of Huda Beauty. So as soon as you open it, you see her face right here, and in here it pretty much, so it has pretty much everything that's inside the box and just talks about it. So we're just going to skip all of that and we're just going to go straight into the box. So this is what everything looks like. And the first product is this right here. It is her liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Alluring. If I remember correctly, I know she said that this was an orangey red shade that she created specifically for this beauty box. So it's not something I don't think is going to be available for you to purchase in stores. If this is a color you wanted to try out, then in order to get this, you would have to get the box. So like I said, I've never tried any of her liquid lipsticks, and I thought that this would be a really great opportunity to testing it out for only $15 because I've purchased boxes before. So as soon as you open it, it does have a scent. I'm pretty sure she puts a fragrance in all of her products. It's what she's known for. Okay, so the formula is really thin but very pigmented, and it is a beautiful orangey red. I was really excited about this. I love bright colors. Especially lately, I've really been loving bright colors. So I'm excited to trying this out. I hope the formula is really nice because I know she has tons of amazing colors in her lip collection. So also so with this, I also got a Laneige Moisture Cream Water Bank Normal to Dry moisturizer. I do like Laneige products a lot, so this is a really nice size. It's 0.2 fluid ounces. So I will definitely be trying that out because you can never have enough moisturizers. So with this also, there's a sample of the Way Finishing Cream, 0.5 ounces. This actually smells really, wait. So this isn't even opened and I can smell how good it smells with the packaging. So this smells really good. I've actually never tried any of Way's products. I have a sample of one of their hairsprays. I'm not sure exactly which one, but I've just never gone around to using it. So I'm going to make sure that I do try. So I'm just going to take this out, and this is really nice. The packaging is absolutely beautiful. They actually just put a picture of her face and she just looks absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I'm just going to put this aside. I'm going to keep the box because it's so nice. And you get a really cute pink neon see-through makeup bag, and I mean right now it just has a little tab in here. Wait, is this a tab? Okay, I guess it just kind of sticks. I don't know how that works. Okay, I thought it was, oh no, okay, so I was right. So with this, you just have to jimmy it. You can just slide that in like that. So, okay, the next product that we have, I'm actually really happy that I got this. This is from Benefit, their Cabrow. I've never tried any of Benefit's eyebrow products. I pretty much only stick with Anastasia because I've been using it for a long time and it works really well. So I don't really feel the need to changing it, but I did want to really try this, and this is in the shade 3.5, which is supposed to be a really nice brown. And I think I can get away with this. As you guys know, I do like really dark brows, but I thought the packaging was so cute. So it comes with a little brush, and then you just put it back in here. I'm probably not going to use the brush that comes with it, but we'll see. I like my own little brushes. But yes, I'm really excited about trying this out. And then I was really excited that this came in as well. This is the whole, that's where that came from. This is the Samantha lashes in number 7. I've never tried any of her lashes, and this, I believe, was one of her most popular ones. So really, really excited to trying that out. And then I know she threw in a little perfume here from her perfume line, and this is Vanilla 28, Vanilla Orchard, Tonka Absolute, Brown Sugar, Amber Woods, and Musk. And this actually smells really good. So you just got a little sample size right here, but I heard this is, you only need a little bit, and it has a really strong, well, not really strong, but you only need a little bit. And then also there, we're pretty much almost done. There's only 2 last products. This is a Tony Moly Intense Care 24 Karat Snail Hydro Gel Gold Mask. So this is what that looks like. And I do like Tony Moly sheet masks. I have a bunch of them and they work really well. I have no complaints at all. And the last product is also from Away. This is their texturizing hairspray. I'm actually really excited about this. I'm going to make sure that I try this out this week because I have been looking for a texturizing spray just to do something a little different with my hair, just so it's not just straight or up or clipped up. But yeah, I'm really, really excited and really happy with this. I was a little disappointed that it did take such a long time to get here, but I'm glad that everything arrived, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with everything. I think this box was absolutely amazing, definitely worth my $15. And yeah, if you guys got this box as well, let me know, comment below, and if you subscribe to Allure on an annual basis, let me know as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it wasn't too long, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.